Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. This is Chavi Sombra with an update on Indian weather. Cyclonic storm to hit Odisha. Bengal coast on October 24, heavy rain, gusty winds forecasted. A cyclonic circulation over the North Andaman Sea is likely to intensify into a cyclonic storm and reach the Odisha West Bengal coast by October 24, bringing heavy rainfall and gusty winds in both the states, the Met Office said on the Sunday. According to weather officials, wind speeds along and off the Odisha West Bengal coast are anticipated to reach 60 km per hour from October 23, increasing to 120 km per hour from October 24 night to October 24 morning. Fishermen of both the states have been advised against venturing into the sea from October 23 to 26 as the condition is likely to remain rough. The weather system was likely to develop into a low pressure area by Monday afternoon, intensifying into a depression over East Central Bay of Bengal by October 22 and subsequently evolving into a cyclonic storm by October 24. The Met Office said, adding that it is likely to bring light to moderate rainfall across many areas with isolated heavy to very heavy downpours in the coastal areas of Bengal and Odisha from October 23rd to 25th. The IMD Director General said the system is likely to take the shape of a severe cyclonic storm. He said parts of Odisha are likely to experience heavy to very heavy rain from October 23rd onwards. Some parts in the coastal region may experience up to 20 centimeters rainfall on October 24th and 25th. The intensity of the spell may also increase up to 20 to 30 centimeters and about 30 at some places. However, the Director General said that the IMD has not made any forecast on landfall location and intensity so far. Light to moderate rainfall is also likely in Andhra Pradesh, a weather bulletin said. Meanwhile, Kolkata's Met Office said West Bengal's Purba Medinipur, Paschim Medinipur, South 24 Parganas and North 24 Parganas are likely to experience very heavy rainfall, while Kolkata, Howrah, Hooghly and Jhargram may see heavy rainfall between October 23rd and 24th. On October 25th, heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely in one or two places over Gangetic West Bengal, the Met Office said. The IMD has issued a red warning for isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall of 7 to 20 centimeters with the possibility of extremely heavy rainfall over 20 centimeters and thunderstorms with lightning for Puri, Khurda, Ganjam and Jagat Singhpur districts on October 24th. That's all for now. Keep safe and stay indoors. For more weather updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.